Hey friends, if you wish to flip or rotate screen on a Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select display in the right pane. Now under display you will find this option for display orientation. It is landscape and portrait. Okay, these are options. I will revert it first of all. Okay, wait. Revert. Okay, you can change it to the flipped one or the normal one. Okay, I'll try to change it to the flipped one and see what happens. This will take it to 190 degree. I will revert it once again and see what happens when I use portrait flipped. It will take it to 90 degree on the other side. Okay, and then I will revert it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.